Hey everyone, and welcome back to Anderson Kia. Today I'll be showing off a 2020 Kia Sportage SX in Snow White Pearl. Starting at the front here, we have automatic LED headlights with auto high beam control, LED daytime running lights and LED fog lights, as well as an acoustic laminated windshield and a sport style grille. Moving on, this vehicle features Dynamax intelligent all-wheel drive and sports 19-inch machined finish alloy wheels with 4-wheel ABS disc brakes. This model also includes power heated side view mirrors with LED signal repeaters, as well as keyless entry and deep privacy tint glass. Some of the safety features with this model include downhill brake control, impact sensing door unlock, advanced forward collision avoidance assist and lane keep assist, as well as blind spot detection, rear cross traffic alert, and both front and rear parking sensors. No shortage of safety features here. Looking toward the rear now, we have LED taillights, smart power liftgate technology, as well as a spacious cargo area with a dual level cargo floor and a dual exhaust. Heading inside now, this model has a beautiful leather interior with heated rear seats, a panoramic sunroof, and rear climate ventilation. As we look toward the front here, we have heated front seats as well as air-cooled front seats for those hot summer days, along with a heated steering wheel mounted with both audio and cruise controls. Some other great features include Bluetooth wireless technology, Android Auto and Apple CarPlay compatibility, along with Harman Kardon premium audio and UVO intelligence telematics. This model also includes dual zone automatic climate control with an auto defog system and a wireless cell phone charger. Some other great features include a rear view camera on an 8-inch display, as well as drive mode select, built-in navigation, and both USB and auxiliary input ports. Heading under the hood now, we have a 2-liter turbocharged GDI engine and a 6-speed Sportmatic transmission. For any more questions, you can contact us here.